In this video, I'm going to show you how to complete the assignment 4, which is creating the scan for the endpoint. Okay, so let's see the lab instruction. It's basically we're going to create a new scan to scan the endpoint. But before we do that, make sure that your endpoint all are power on, and to avoid the endpoint shutdown automatically after 1 hour because of the license expired, you have to re-up first. So how to do that? Let me show you. Especially for the server, you need to go to the log on, and then after that check the licensing, so it must be activated, otherwise then it will shut down in 1 hour. So how to do that? Just go to the command prompt as the administrator and then run the slngr/d. I don't need to do this because I have activated. Yeah, but if you see the license expired, you need to do that. Yeah. Okay, I just close. Make sure you check the other server. Yeah. This one is the server 2019. This is Windows 10, Windows 10, Windows 7. Okay. So just log on to the server and then just check. The server is on and the license is valid. Yeah. You don't have to log on. After this, you can sign out. No problem. Yeah. Okay, there's the Windows 10. Okay, Windows 10 will not shut down, so you don't have to activate it. Just leave it like that. Okay, for the Windows 7, we have the case that this machine is the firewall is on, so it won't be accessible by the CSP scan. So you need to create some rule in the firewall to allow the CSP to scan it. So look for the firewall. Okay, after that, allow the program or features. Okay, you look for the file and printer sharing. This is following the guide here. You have to enable file printer sharing that allow you to open the port 13945 and RPC, remote schedule task management, Windows management instrumentation. So these three. File printer sharing, remote schedule tasks, and then WMI. TCOM and WMI. Okay, so file printer sharing, and then look for the Windows management instrumentation, and then remove procedure. Yeah, this one. Okay. Okay, we create some exception here. File and printer sharing. Yeah, WMI already enabled. Okay, then the other one is here, Windows 10. WMI, remote management. Okay, I think this one. That's all. Okay, the next thing is to go back to the CSAT server, and then we're going to configure that and modify the file in the this folder. Yeah? C folder. After that, the program files, then QS solution, CSAT, then development service. Okay, so you have this config you need to modify to allow the full scanning. But because this need admin privileges, yeah, so you have to run the notepad as an administrator. So open the notepad, right click, after that run as administrator. Okay, then a file open. Okay, you go to this location, yeah, see program files, then QS solution, CSAT services, look for the development services. Okay, then you have here, you have to change it to all files. Then you will see this side, this file. Yeah, you look for this. So previously the value is not full. Yeah, so you have to change this to full. Okay, once you change, then save it. Yeah, this one. Yeah. Okay. After that, you need to go to the services management console to restart the services. Look for the CSAT deployment service. Okay, right click, after that restart. Okay, then after that you can do the just now, yeah, CSAT, yeah, to scan. So scan, select the endpoint, create new scope. Okay, so let's do the scanning. Then after that, you will be able to discover the endpoint and then do the scan. Okay, so you can do scan now or later. If you do it later, then after that, I have done this. can discover this endpoint. The result, you can go to the so once the scan you can see there is a message due to license restrictions, only 5 endpoints are scanned. Okay, this will take a while. Okay, the scan is completed. You can view the log. There are 5 endpoints was discovered. Okay. There is one thing that you need to do in allowing the scan to be to allow the full scan, which is you have to on-premise endpoint or go to the analysis, then here on-premise on-premise endpoint. Okay, this is the status. Okay, that's the assignment 4. Thank you for watching.